Hey y'all, I'm Cameron. Welcome back to the Hustling Homemaker, and on this channel I share about homemaking, urban homesteading, frugal living, and my side businesses like my Etsy shop. And today I am redoing my front porch. I do this sometimes somewhere between 1 and 3 times a year. I had not changed anything in quite a while though, because my husband made me this wonderful sign that says welcome out of old pallets. And it covers up this kind of ugly spot on the brick there because it used to have railings around the porch, and then we took them down and it left kind of paint stains, and I tried to remove the paint stains, but then that left a stain on the brick. So I have used this sign to kind of cover things up for the last 6 months or a year, and it works really well, but I was just ready to change things for the spring. So if you have been watching me for a while, you know that that black plant stand on their front porch there, I just got a few weeks ago off of Craigslist, and I'm planning to paint it white and put it on my deck. But right now I just have it out here, and I'm waiting to put together the new couch on the deck and just finish redoing the deck. But that green sign right there I made when we first moved in. I just got 4 little pieces of wood and painted them, and then I got the numbers from, I believe, Lowe's and wired them together. And they work really well right there. And you see that stained or that discolored area and short people problems. I have this hanging basket that the plant had died in quite a while ago, and I was just trying to get it down, but it was full of heavy dirt, and I'm short. I'm only 5'2", so I was struggling to get it down. But I had those green cushions that I got at a thrift store last year, and then those pillows, I actually redid all of the cushions on our deck furniture last fall with that fabric, but then we just purchased a new couch for our deck, so we aren't going to be needing those over there anymore. And so this is what it kind of came out as. I keep these 2 little chairs there, and I put my new, it's not new to me, I've had it for a while, white wreath. And the little stand is going to stay out there for a while. I got that welcome mat at the at-home store. So I hope you enjoy this and you got a little bit of inspiration for spring. It was a beautiful day there in Virginia, even though it has been quite cold.